In this video, we are showing you the saddle that we at Ampascachi have designed specifically for our horses. It is the best saddle for horseback riding tours due to its conformation, and this is the reason why we have chosen this type of saddle. It's a light saddle that is comfortable for the rider and does not slide. And the most important fact is that it does not cause saddle marks on the horse's back even after long hours of riding. Part of the saddle is this carona, which is a leather sheet that helps with the distribution of the weight along the muscles on the horse's back. We lay a neoprene pad under the saddle, which is soft and flexible. Its function is to absorb the weight and to avoid friction on the horse's back. This is why the saddle pad comes first on the horse's back. The saddle is a structure of iron, wood and leather. As we can see, attached are the stirrups, leather straps and the girth. The girth is made of various fine braided leather straps so that it holds tight to the horse's skin and avoids slipping. We also use a sheepskin cover that is laid on the structure of the saddle. Let's have a look at the bottom side of the saddle. We have two lateral pieces of wood called basto that rest on the back muscles and distribute the weight along these muscles and not on the horse's spine. Under the sheepskin we can see a kind of leather cushion filled with rubber to make the saddle even more comfortable. Now we are going to show you how we saddle. First we put the neoprene pad on the back, then the leather pad, and finally the saddle. When we look from the back side of the saddle, there's a space between the saddle and the spine. And this is why there's no friction on the horse's spine. The girth is attached to the leather straps and will keep the saddle tight on the horse. From the other side we can see how we tighten the girth with the straps. Finally, our horse is ready to be ridden.